Dear students, topic of today is to discuss about the formal charge, part of the NCERT syllabus. Now question arises, what is the formal charge? The charge kept by each atom, in a molecule or in molecular ion is called formal charge. Is called formal charge. This charge may be positive, negative, or zero on the atom. So the charge kept by each atom in a molecule or molecular ion is called formal charge. This charge may be positive, negative, or zero on the atom. There is a simple formula for the calculation of the positive charge. A simple formula for the calculation of formal charge. Formal charge is equal to group number minus electron count, that is EC. Formal charge is equal to group number minus electron count, that is EC. And now what is group number? Group number is equal to number of electrons in valence shell of that atom. For example, hydrogen carries 1 electron in its valence shell, so its group number is 1. So you can write like this: element and group number. Element and group number. Element is hydrogen, its group number is 1. Element is carbon, its group number is 4. Element is nitrogen, its group number is 5. Element is phosphorus, its group number is 5. Element is oxygen, its group number is 6. Element is fluorine, its group number is 7. It is chlorine, its group number is 7. So the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of the element is called the group number. For hydrogen it is 1, for carbon it is 4, for nitrogen it is 5, for phosphorus it is 5, for oxygen it is 6, for fluorine it is 7, for chlorine it is 7, for sulfur it is 6. So different elements have different group number, and this group number is equal to number of electrons present in its valence shell. Similarly, there is a formula for the electron count. Electron count is equal to half of the shared electron electron count is equal to half of the shared electron plus unshared electrons. So there are two things. First thing is to know the group number, and other thing is to know its electron count. So electron count of the element is calculated by this formula. Electron count for an atom is given by half of the shared electrons plus unshared electrons. Now calculate the formal charge on each atom on the bicarbonate ion. For example, calculation of formal charge on each atom of bicarbonate ion. The formula for bicarbonate ion is HCO. This is negatively charged oxygen. This carries 2 unshared electron. So this is formula for the bicarbonate ion. No, this is here oxygen and H. This is bicarbonate ion. This ion carries 1 hydrogen, 3 oxygen atoms and 1 carbon atoms. For the sake of convenience, I label this oxygen at oxygen number 1. For this oxygen number 2. For this oxygen number 3. So first count the electron count. So EC of the electron count of H. This H. So half of the shared electron. It has 1 shared electron pair. So it is 2. And no unshared electron. So it is 0. So it becomes equal to 1. So electron count of H is 1. Electron count of oxygen O, this is 1. Oxygen number 1 is 2 shared electron pairs. This shared pair, this is shared pair. So 2 bonds, so it is 4. Unshared 4 electrons. Unshared, the lone pair, 2 lone pair is unshared. So it is 4. So it is equal to 6. Electron count for carbon. Electron count for carbon is carbon. Now see the shared electron pair 2, 2, 4 and 4, 8. So it is 8. No unshared electron pair, so it is 0. It is equal to 4. Now electron count for oxygen number 2. Oxygen number 2, this is oxygen number 2. So half into shared electron pair, 1 double bond means 4 electron, plus 2 unshared electron pair, so it is 4. So it's equal to 6. Similarly, the last one, electron count for oxygen number 3 is shared electron pair 1, so it is half into 2 plus 6 unshared electrons, so it is equal to 7. So I have calculated electron count for each of the atoms present in the bicarbonate ion. Present in the bicarbonate ion. Oxygen, its electron count is 1. This oxygen number 1, its electron count is 6. For oxygen, for carbon, electron count is 4. For oxygen number 2, electron count is 6. For oxygen number 3, electron count is 7. Now calculate the formal charge. Calculate the formal charge. Formal charge of element is equal to group number minus electron count. So see the formal charge of element, and this is the formula, group number minus electron count. So you take up one by one. For hydrogen, for H, it is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. For O number 1, it is 6, its group number is 6, minus 6 is equal to 0. For carbon, its group number is 4 and electron count is 4, so it is 0. Electron count for oxygen number 2, it is 6, so you can write like this. For oxygen number 2, it is 6 minus 6 equal to 0, and lastly for O3 it is 7. So for oxygen number 3, it is 7, 6 minus 7 equal to minus 1. So this is the formal charge for each of the atoms present in the bicarbonate ion. So you can write like this. This is HO, CO, O. This is 0 for oxygen. Formal charge is 0. For this oxygen, again 0. For hydrogen, this is 0. For oxygen number 1, this is 0. For carbon, it is 0. For oxygen number 2, this is oxygen number 2, it is 0. And this is oxygen number 3, it is minus 1. This is minus 1. So it is minus 1. So in this way we can calculate the formal charge for the given molecule or for the given ions. I can take one more example. Other example is for nitric acid. Second example, say the nitric acid. The structural formula for nitric acid is like that. Oxygen, this is this one. This is two lone unshared electron pair. This is three electron pair unshared, and this is positive charge. In this case, this is 1 and this is 3. This is the structural formula for the nitric acid. So electron count for each one. So electron count for electron EC, yeah, you can write like that. EC electron count for H equal to half into 2 plus 0 is equal to 1. For this electron count for oxygen number 1 is the count, level it as number 1, level it number 2, level it number 3. So electron count for oxygen number 1 is half, two shared electron, so it is 4, plus 4 unshared electron, so it is equal to 6. So electron count for this oxygen is 6. Now electron count for this nitrogen, EC for N barabar half. How many shared electrons? 2, 2 and 4, 8, equal to 8, plus no unshared 0, so it is 4. Similarly, electron count for this one, electron count for O3 equal to half shared electron 2 plus unshared electron 6, so it is 7. And one more example for this oxygen, so you can write like this, EC for O3 is, no, O3 has finished, for O2, oxygen number 2. This is oxygen number 2. Electron count for oxygen number 2. So how many shared electrons? 4 plus unshared 4 is equal to 6. So you have come to know about the electron count of each of the element. Electron count for hydrogen is, this is, the value is 1. Electron count for oxygen number 1, it is 6. Electron count for nitrogen, it is 4. Electron count for O3, oxygen number 3, it is 7. And electron count for oxygen labeled as 2 is 6. So this is the electron count for each of the items. Now calculate the formal charge. Formal charge. So formal charge will be group number minus electron count. So for this oxygen, so group formal charge is equal to group number minus electron count. So using this formula, you can calculate the formal charge. In case of hydrogen, group number is 1, electron count is 1, so its formal charge is 0. You can see here formal charge of for H is 1 minus 1 barabar 0. So this finished. So you can write here 0. Now it ends. Now electron count for oxygen number 1. So its the group number is 6. Electron count is 6. So you write here again 0. So its formal charge is 0. Again 0. Now nitrogen, electron count for nitrogen. So nitrogen, its group number is 5. Electron count is 4. So it is plus 1. Okay. Already positive charge is present. So it is plus 1. It is plus 1. Again, we are for Now oxygen number 2, electron count for oxygen level 2, its group number is 6 and its electron count is 6, so it is 0. So you can write here formal charge 0, 0. Formal charge on this oxygen is 0. Now lastly, formal charge for O3, oxygen number 3, its group number is 6 and its electron count is 7, so it is minus 1. Minus 1 is already present, so it is minus 1. So this is about the formal charge for each of the items present in the nitric acid. So 2 examples are sufficient for you. You go through number of other examples and try to fit the answer accordingly. Thank you very much.